Hello, everyone. I'm Lolita Reid, and you are very welcome to my YouTube channel, The Clarity Creek. And with this introductory video, I am going to start, and I already actually created the playlist, Precious Lessons from My Dog, to honor this wee book that my sister, myself, and illustrator Maria created and published, and now this book is waiting for its reader. So with this video, I would like briefly introduce the idea of this book and what I'm going to do with following videos. First of all, this book was born as a dream. My sister and I had this dream that we will honor Rocco, the wee dog that was very happy all the time, was full of joy. However, he never found a loving home. And his travelings stopped when he lost the battle with illness. So this book is to Rocco, but also this book is to everyone, absolutely everyone who loves dogs, who loves animals, and who seeks clarity and inspirations in everyday activities, in everyday moments. And when I started to create quotes and also search for heartful quotes, I was seeing our reader sitting on Sunday with big cup of coffee, and instead of browsing through or scrolling down through the phone, through Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform, instead they had this book. And they opened this book and they scrolled through the quotes of this book. And for example, now I opened one and I will read it. And it's on page 39. I would love it if you could read me a bedtime story. What about the little prince? It is only with the heart that one can see rightly. What is essential is invisible to the eye. So that was conversation between Rocco and this wee girl, and of course Rocco wanted her to read him bedtime story. And that particular quote I picked because I believe that our hearts can see more than our eyes. Anyway, so this is how I see it and how our vision agreed with my vision and my sister's vision and Maria's vision, and how did we imagine this. So as I say, on Sunday morning, afternoon, evening, you are sitting in your comfortable chair, drinking coffee, tea, or whatever you are drinking, and you scrolling, and you not scrolling, but you are reading quotes from our book. So what is coming next? So this is introductory video, and this one is longer than usual. But what is coming? Once a week, I will release one video One video, maximum 5 minutes long. And what I'm going to do every week, once a week, I don't know the day, which day of the week it will be. I have to decide that. But every week I will read one quote. Say we will start with page 3 and there is a quote there. So I will read that quote. I will go deeper and explain that quote. And then in the end, I will ask you to act. Sort of, there will be call to action, but that call to action will be for you to practice something, whatever. We will depend. It will depend on the quote. So read the quote. I will explain the quote, my insights about the quote, and then call to action for you to practice what we just discovered. So that's what we are going to do. And that will take 52 weeks because this book has 52 quotes, meaning one quote per week. And as I say, I will release one video per week. And then maybe along the way, I will invite some guests and we will cover some topics that are interesting to discuss and to cover. So that is my plan. But today I just wanted to introduce this book, also my playlist that I created, and this video will go into this playlist, which is Precious Lessons from My Dog, of course. And yeah, what else? You can buy this book. You can buy this book, hard copy. And if you buy 2 books, I am gifting you with free the Passion Test coaching, absolutely free. The Passion Test coaching with me, if more than 2 sessions, it could cost about $400. It depends how many sessions we need. But I'm gifting you two sessions of the Passion Test coaching free and the price is then $197 for these 2 sessions, and this is totally free as a gift to you if you purchase 2 books. And then guess what? The posting cost is also on me. So you probably just will pay for 1 book, because postage on me and coaching on me. And the Passion Test coaching is about gaining clarity in all areas of your life. The Passion Test coaching is a process. So you will start this journey with me, and then I lovingly let you go, because you will have the foundation and you will have the blueprint, and you will know where and how to get somewhere you desire. Anyway, so that's it. So if you want to buy a book, the links are in this playlist description. What else? If you have any questions, you can leave your comment. I will come back. Why I just a bit hesitated, because I'm not very familiar with YouTube comments. They sometimes late, or when I see it, they already like 1 month late. But I will promise, I promise I will check them more often. And maybe I will resolve these technical glitches. Yeah, what else? So these videos will be short, 5 minutes, inspiring, empowering, and I believe, because I didn't mention this, when we created these quotes, and even the ones we picked from other spiritual leaders, I energize them with love and blessings. And doesn't matter when you read it. Where you read, even if you read it 5 or 10 years from now, that love and that and those blessings are in that book. So, and it will reach you across all time, space, and all realities. But anyway, I love my book. We put a lot effort in it and a lot of love. And I hope you will find videos beneficial to you, and you will find some more inspiration to go and live your life as you deserve, with love, with joy and happiness. So that's it for today. This is a quite long introduction to my playlist, but of course I talked about our book. And now I welcome you just to watch some or to have some sneak peek into the book. So after this video, continue watching and you will see sneak peek into our book. You will see some characters and you will see some quotes, and you just get into this feeling mode and see if this book is for you. And if this book is for you, then buy the book. And if you buy 2 books, as I say, I will gift you with the Passion Test coaching. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, I created this book, or we created this book with you in mind, because you need to find your clarity, and you need to find your light, and you need to show your light to this world. That's it. Yes, so I will say thank you for watching. Continue watching and have a sneak peek into our book. I'll see you next time with next week actually, with the short video and with the first quote from our book. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.